friends, and welcome back in my video. If you new on my channel, to subscribe to my channel. How are you? I hope you are well and stay tuned. I make laser security alarm. Means this is my electrical circuit subjects micro project. Means I am in second year electrical engineering of first sem. Means electrical engineering of third sem. Means and I'll show you here for the project of laser security alarm. This is used for any protecting diamond etc. and diamond and idol, unique idol, means that you know. This is our title of project, laser security alarm. This is our aim of project, to make laser security alarm. This is our requirement for our project, means apparatus, 10k ohm resistance, second LDR sensor, third C945 transistor and 9-way battery, and next 9-way battery connector, buzzer and laser diode, and 3.7-way battery on off switch. And this is our LDR sensor. Means I am seeing this on properly, practically. This is our C945 transistor that you seen in the video. And what is next? 10k ohms resistance that you seen, 10,000 ohm resistance. This is our buzzer that rings, that you know. And next 9-way battery, FIW first watt, and this is our 9-way battery connector. And next 9-way battery plus 9-way battery connector that fix on. And this is our laser diode. And next is 3.7 watt battery that you seen in the video. And next is on off switch, and this is our on off switch. You see here our model is ready. This is our laser diode that connected to 3.7 watt battery, and this is LDR sensor that connected to buzzer and 9 watt battery. If anyone can try to go from this laser, the alarm rings. This is our mobile. If we mobile from laser, the alarm rings, that you see, that you know. Means next means is a screwdriver that you seen. This is our screwdriver, and the alarm rings is go from the laser. And next thin screwdriver, means what you see here, the alarm rings when thin screwdriver is from it. And this is our hand, means anyone's hand, and the alarm rings. And this is our paper. Means anyone can paper from laser, the alarm rings. Means this is our laser diode that you seen here. And here our LDR sensor, buzzer and battery. So I hope you like this video. So bye bye friends, and meet in next video. I can't speak English very well, but I try my best that you see in whole video. Bye bye friends.